How to change the time zone for posting in Vista Social. Setting the correct time zone in Vista Social is essential if you want your content to go live exactly when your audience is most active. Whether you're managing global clients or a local business, this step can save you from missing peak engagement hours. To begin, log into your Vista Social dashboard and head straight to your profile settings. Here, you'll find the time zone option within the scheduling preferences. Choose the time zone that matches your content strategy or your target audience's location. Why is this important? Because if your content is scheduled without the right time zone, it might post during off hours when your audience is asleep or inactive. You'll notice a significant difference in reach and engagement when your posts go live at optimal times. Vista Social makes this simple with an intuitive interface. Once the time zone is selected, all future scheduled posts will follow the new setting, giving you full control over timing. If you manage multiple profiles for clients in different countries, you can even customize time zones per profile. This is perfect for agencies and social media managers juggling multiple brands. Remember, if you're new to Vista Social or haven't signed up yet, the link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. It gives you access to these powerful features and more. Keeping your content consistent and on schedule is what separates casual users from professionals. Time zones are a basic but critical part of this strategy. So go ahead, update yours today, and give your posts the best chance to succeed across any region.